Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use the OBS Studio layout and how to actually change it. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is actually open up your OBS Studio software. Now, as you can see, here is our layout. Now, how to change this is very easy. You can actually drag and drop the different controls that you have right here. Now, let's say I want the scenes to be right next to the controls, and I want the sources to be in the middle. Now I can simply drag and drop them with my left mouse button. If I want them right below each other, as you can see, to create more space for the different ones to actually drag it and drop it. If I want them all in one window, I can drag them on top of each other and I can choose and switch between both of them. Now let's say I want to use the sources outside of OBS. I can simply drag it outside OBS and make a different window. Now you can do this for everything. And if you want them to be back, simply drag them inside here and that should be it. Now let's say you want to actually change it back to whatever it used to be, because sometimes you accidentally changed certain stuff. Now simply head down to the docks right here, the top of your screen, and press reset docks. Now this will change everything to the basics. And now let's say you made a mistake and you accidentally deleted your scenes right here or your sources, and there is one missing. Now it's very easy. You simply go back to docks. You go back to edit and you simply press undo the button right here, because this is the last thing that you've just deleted, and you can simply press undo. Now let's say you want to deselect something from your docs. Now simply go to docs and here you can deselect them, as you can see right here, and they won't show up. Now if you want to change it back to whatever it was, simply press reset docs and that should be it. Now if you still get any other questions or if this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.